Hi guys, in this session I'll tell you how to efficiently move and copy columns or rows. See, normally if you have to select say any column, say for example this, and you want to copy this column to column L, normally what people do is, and there's nothing wrong in that, just select all the columns, copy it, select here, paste it. But there's better way, more efficient way of doing it. Just select select the column that you want to copy and bring the cursor on the right hand side line of the column till it turns into four arrows joined together. Click there and drag the whole thing into the column where you wish to bring it. So whatever was there in column A, that all got shifted to column L. Now, suppose you want to bring this column between present stock and quantity sold. You do the same thing, bring it to the left hand side, cursor, press it and drag it and see what happens. So, Excel is thinking that you want to replace the contents of the column L into column H, which we don't want. So we'll cancel it. So the best way to do is select this column, insert, and a column is inserted there. And then you select this, bring it to the right hand side and drag it here. Okay, I'll undo all that and yeah, now it is back to normal. Similarly, if you want to, instead of moving it, if you want to copy the whole column, select that column which you want to copy, press CTRL and keep it pressed. Bring to the right hand side of the column and drag it. So instead of copying it, instead of moving it, it has copied whatever was there in column A into column L. Pretty straightforward, but sometimes it saves you a lot of time. So I'll see you in the next session.